Hello everyone, welcome to my wife channel Flamey Kitchen, and today basically I'm the host. I will tell you about the website where you can make $1,000 without spending a dime just by working 30 minutes on a daily basis. In these tough times of COVID-19 where people are losing their jobs and also if they don't have any other skills to pursue to support their bread and butter, I would say Gramfree can be the best interface they can work on and earn great income. To do this, there's only one thing is required, and that is patience. Today's video is a complete tutorial on how to make money with Gramfree. I would suggest you to watch this video till end and also hit subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any notifications for our future updates. So first step is basically let's create an account. Now I have added the link in description below. Click on the link and it will take you to the sign up page. And as you can see on my screen, Gramfree is basically offering you two ways to create an account: Facebook or Gmail. You can choose any one of them which you're comfortable with. My wife already have an account on Gramfree, so I will be signing in by using her Gmail account. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and signing in with her account. Now we are on the main interface. This is exactly how it looks like. This is the main interface. If you access this through the phone, this is how you're going to look or enhance. But if you're using the computer, laptop, tablet, any other electronic devices, this Gramfree dashboard, technically you can see it on your left. Like I said, this is the interface where you can navigate any option in the left hand corner. Now before I tell you how you can make money on Gramfree, let me tell you a bit about what Gramfree is. Gramfree is a digital quick packer, just like Bitcoins. In this site, you will be earning grams, and once you earn grams, as per the process, which is 500 grams in order to qualify for the withdrawal, then you have an option for the withdrawal where I just clicked on the screen. You can see you have all kind of options where you can go with the Bitcoin, Ethereum, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal. Like you could be able to scroll down and you can see which is the best for you. Let's move into a working area. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and this is where we have to mainly focus. There are total 5 ways to make money on Gramfree. First is to spin the rule. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that so you guys can able to see how this works. And I will be explaining each component, how it operates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on free. Alright, it's going to bring you down to the next screen, and if you scroll down you can able to see it says time to roll. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oh, I'm sorry, it's right here. As you can see, there's a number is actually going on, and I get to win 0.1 gram. This is the first step. You can do this on daily basis. There is a time that applies on this, so you can get back to the same free roll spinning after 1 hour, and you can get to spin that as much as you want. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and the second part basically how it works. Now before we get to the second part, regarding about the spinning, there are also certain ways where you can earn points on each activity, which helps you to increase your level. So if I'm going to go ahead and click on this, you can see right here there are certain points. I'm not qualified right now because I already have done this, so I'm going to come back to the main page. It also helps you to increase your level, and that's basically the first step is to do a free spin roll. Now we're going to get back to the dashboard, and the second part is using referrals. You can ask other people to sign up with your referral link, and each significant referral you will get 5 grams. There is your referral link, as you can see on the screen, and by this it will basically not going to activate you or your referral, but however there's a retention process which you can see it on the screen. I mean, which referral is actually working, who's activate, who's actually not working on the process. This will going to give you a proper analytics. So, and that's how you can get to see it. Now about the referral program, how you actually going to earn. Your referral needs to reach on level 2, right, in order to earn 5 grams on your wallet. These basically these pending grams will be added onto your balance once your referral actually reached to a level 2 and they're completing tasks. Any referral that you're going to refer, you're going to have the proper database, which is right on the screen at this point. This is one of the second goal of earning process. Third option is going to be watching 1 minute video. Oh, I'm sorry. Third option is going to be make 1 minute videos. So video can be yours as well. Here is where you can make your video and add it on this option right here. Once you added the video, the Gramfree team will review the video, and once it gets approved, then you can earn 5 grams making per video. Let's go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to be back on the navigation tab. The fourth option is to watch videos. Like you can able to click on the videos like I just did, and as you can see here, I'm not going to play any video now. There are 3 videos are pending. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Once you complete watching these videos, you're definitely going to earn points and grams. This is the fourth way to earn a single point, and we'll be adding into your wallet as well. We're going to move on to the fifth option, which is smart contracts. What you need to do here is accepting contracts, right? So what I'm going to do here, basically, I'm going to actually accept and show you how it works, basically. So it shows me that I have a pending signing contract. Contract. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on take and sign. And then there's a pop-up window is going to be appear, and you got to go ahead by default click on yes. What that means is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Yes. As you can see, it gives me a new time frame, which is about 21 hours from now on. So there are about 3 different smart contract. I would say 4 or 5. Like I already have done this, so I have the remaining ones. Here you go. We're gonna follow the same process. And there is the last one. These are the major, you would say, the process or protocols that which you need to follow in order to earn points and grams. So I have completed the 5th part. I have selected all the contracts, sign in, confirmed, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard. These were the total 5 processor components that you have to work on, right? And according to the analytics here, so far what I have done, there are 105 rolls, which is the spinning rolls. I've done it. I have invited about 12 people. I'm sure I have added more people, but the active people actually working is about 12. There are almost 38 smart contracts which I have signed about so far, and 160 watched videos. Right, so it's not that hard to just give some time on this and work on daily basis for 30 minutes and earn money. I have seen people earned and they have given their proofs. I mean, how they have withdrawn the money anywhere in the world. The only thing we all need is basically the patience, and you need to give yourself about 2 to 3 months in order to complete your 500 grams. As you can see here on the screen, so far we have reached about 94.6 grams. So we have a long way to go. And according to your level, the gram price will increase or decrease depending on the process. Well, this is something is not under our control, but this is basically how the Bitcoin or digital currency is operating in the industry. You also have an activity timeline where it gives you what exactly you have done within the Gramfree, what options have you chose, what kind of activity you have performed. You can able to view that, and it's a very simple task. Any of your referral, if they are working along with you, you could see it. They have their own performance data which we can able to access on daily basis, what they're doing, if they're actually working or they're not working, because that also going to help you to give you points and grams. So this is the 5 ways you can make money on Gramfree, and I will suggest you to click on the link in the description below and start making money. There's only one thing I would like to either request or suggesting you at least give it a try and reach level 2. Trust me, it will motivate you not to stop working on Gramfree. Well guys, that's all for today, and thank you for listening to the whole conversation. I mean, how you can able to make money on this free digital currency process website. If you have any concerns or comments or you want to ask, or if you have any information, please leave your comments and I will definitely get back to you and will explain to you. If you need any further assistance with this, I mean how these things work, uh, just let me know at any time. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.